Alright, what's going on, people? I picked up this microphone. It's a professional condenser microphone that I got off I believe Amazon. Yeah, it wasn't eBay, it was Amazon. Just gonna open this up. Mainly bought this to replace my mic on my gaming desktop, and I'm gonna take the mic from my gaming desktop and put that up in the office for like Zoom meetings and stuff like that. So this is twice as big as the other one that I already got. So I guess what this is supposed to do is filter out any like reduce that crackling and stuff like that. Instructions are in broadcasting a microphone setup. But you know how we do. We don't read instructions around here. We just plug stuff up. Go with the flow. I like this mic. This is mainly, I got it for aesthetics too. You know, I did look at the specs, but I also looked at the I felt like this would be something nice to have. I think I'm gonna leave this off because that would defeat the purpose. So I'm pretty sure whatever this does, this right here will probably more than make up for it. I'm gonna assume this is the mic holder right here. Yeah, so that's gonna, I think that's gonna slide up in there and get held into the boom. Here's the boom stick. This is gonna clamp down on the edge of my desk. It's pretty sturdy. Alright, set that to the side. Now here's another selling point that got me to get this. The sound card slash mixer. So I guess this is the highlight of the video. It's supposed to be. I'm not sure what all it does. I know you can play like sound effects through it and stuff like that. So I'm gonna mess around with that in a few videos or whatnot. You can do a voice change, applause, laughter, cheer, minions, award, sing, dodge, monitor, music, yell, leave, fall in. So basically any corny thing that you heard on a sitcom growing up, this will pretty much do. So I'm gonna have fun experimenting with this. Power. Alright. And this is, alright, that's pretty much it. That's just the clamp, and then you got the cords. Alright, so this is probably important right here. So here's the end piece that's gonna actually plug into the mic. Make sure. Yeah, so that snaps right in. And this is gonna plug into this is gonna dynamic mic in. So what I think is gonna happen is, all right, so I believe this is gonna, the mic is gonna go into, I want to say here, I'm gonna assume here. And then this micro USB is gonna go into the computer through here. I don't know, I'm not sure. Don't hold me against that. I'm gonna test it out myself and see. Read the instructions if you end up picking this up, and make sure you do it the right way. But I'm gonna go through the instructions and see how to actually hook this up. I do know for a fact that you could just plug this straight into the computer. but I'm not sure if this routes through the sound card. But thanks for checking out the video. Make sure you like, subscribe. Peace out.